Hi guys, welcome back. So last time we were unboxing my new 3D printer. Today I'm going to be assembling it, showing you guys how to assemble it. Haven't assembled one before. The instructions are in black and white and not really legible, so hopefully it will go well, but you know, how hard can it be? So the first step is to put the Z gantry onto the main base. We got a few screws and a few support things here, so I'm hoping it'll just slot on and work. So these here, little slot nuts, and this here comes down. And then it just slides down and they'll hold it in place once I've tightened them up. As well as those slot nuts, there are 4 M5 bolts that go in from underneath and just attach to stop it sliding too much. So I've done them all finger tight. Now I'm going to run around with Allen to make them all nice and tight. So those are all tight. Now I'm going to tighten up the slot nuts to stop it wobbling too much. So again, I'm going to run around with an Allen key just to make sure those are all nice and tight. So that stage was really fiddly. I'm hoping it's going to get a bit better, because now we're mounting the extruder, dun dun dun, onto this plate here. So first I need to lift this plate up so I can get the extruder to fit underneath it and hook on. Twisting these simultaneously moves the gantry up and down. Normally it would be controlled by these stepper motors here, but now I'm just doing it by hand. So now this here extruder can slot nicely on that like that. So here's the back of the extruder with the 3 screw holes. This bit here slots onto that like that. Or not. And now I can get these nuts in. The next phase is to mount these 2 T-plates. They'll go here, which will add a little bit more support to the gantry. This one here also has a stop sensor. So when this comes down too low, it should hit the stop sensor and stop coming down. There are more slot nuts here, so this is going to be really fiddly to get in. So now it's in place, you can see how this sensor here will be hit by that on the way down, which should stop it. Next, we've got to mount the spool holder onto the top here. Just sort of sticks out here. Doesn't look particularly great, but you know, it works. Again, this is fiddly because we're working with slot nuts. The last job is to connect up all of these little wires to all the sensors. Connect the power cable and turn on the printer. The printer is now ready to use. Boom. It works! Okay guys, this video's been really quite fiddly. Took me about half an hour to assemble, which was not fun with all of these fiddly little bolts. Next time, I'm probably going to be either talking about software or making a few of the demo pieces. So I'll catch you then. Meanwhile, if you've got any comments or questions, please drop them below.